Hi there, it's Andrei again from Gledhill Pulsacoil BP. On this video presentation, I have one of my customers which called back and he says, I got a problem with my Gledhill Pulsacoil stainless steel. This is a BP and it's built in 2014. So the problem with this one is no one carry out any service here, and then to change this Gledhill thermal store, they do not replace in full that expansion vessel. Also, they do not put in full clips. What's going on inside? Someone else has been here 2 days ago, and then they replaced the heating elements, pretending that was the problem. But these two heating elements, which they replaced, these two are not original from Gledhill. These are some basic elements. Now, after they replaced the heating element, the boiler, the water heater, did not start. That's because this contactor, which is here, is burned out. So I agree they replaced the heating elements, are not original, but also they do not complete this work. So that pump does not work. So I will go here. I will take this down now. I will repaint in full this room, and then I will install, turn around, I will install this cylinder. So this is a brand new cylinder from Gledhill, and I will offer 5 years warranty, parts and labor. So this is a brand new cylinder. And then let's see how this board goes forward. But the first job is to disconnect this immersion heater from here and to take that out. So once this work is complete, we will start painting the area, and then we will install that cylinder back. Now, let's start doing this job. Thank you for watching this video. So then I start to disconnect this cylinder. I've got my colleague which will start to paint on that area, and then slowly we will take this out. So I first remove it from the mains, and then I start now to drain the cylinder outside. So that's the procedure, how the water heater comes out. Thanks for watching. So this is the pump, and when these engineers replace these two heating elements, these are not original from Gledhill, are from tool station or Screwfix. Gledhill have a different type of heating element. Now, they still not complete this job. The landlord is not super happy, and also that pump, this pump, clearly you can see the contactor. If I try to lift it up, do not go out. And also, this pump is not original. It comes from Gledhill, but it's not original from this cylinder. Now, bear in mind, these guys, they also install a wrong switch. Yeah, mains, wrong cable, so you can see the quality of the cable is really old cable, and also they come into the unit and squeeze 2 cables. I don't agree with that. Right, but we'll change this now. I'll pull everything out. So that's the boiler room. This is how it looks like here now. And I'll disconnect that expansion vessel from there. I'll take everything down, and then I'll refresh this area. Well, let's start on. What's that? That's the overflow. So that's the overflow. How they leave it on. No, great job. But I'll change this now. Thanks for watching. So we take off the cylinder now, and we start to paint this area to refresh this place. So the boiler is disconnected from the mains. This is how it looks behind. And then after we paint this room white matte, we will put back this Gledhill, which looks great and works perfectly for this 1-bedroom flat. So this is our next mission, to repaint this room and then to put back this Gledhill.